Are you tired of searching for the perfect dash cam to keep you safe on the road? With so many options on the market, finding the right one can feel overwhelming. That's why we've rounded up the top 5 best dash cams for 2025. From crystal clear video quality to advanced features like AI detection, these picks have it all. See the full video because one model will blow your mind, and I'll even reveal my personal favorite that I think stands out from the rest. You can find the links to the best prices for each product in the description below. Please note that the products are not ranked in any specific order, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Scotia Nex C1. The Scotia Nex C1 is a full HD 1080p dash cam designed to enhance your driving experience by providing clear and reliable footage of your journeys. Equipped with a 140-degree wide-angle lens, it captures a broad view of the road, ensuring that critical details are recorded. Integration with the Nexar Safe Driving app, available for both iOS and Android, enables seamless recording and storage of significant events and trip data in the Nexar cloud, offering free storage for these events. In the event of an incident, the system can instantly report a crash directly to your participating insurance company, providing video evidence along with data on speed and force of impact. The dashcam supports microSD cards up to 128 GB, ensuring ample storage for your recordings. The package includes a 24W dual-port USB car charger, a 90-degree USB 11.5 F-tier power cable, and a suction cup mount for easy installation. As of November 2024, the Scotia Nex C1 is priced at $42.99, reduced from its regular price of $79.99. This dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers seeking a reliable and feature-rich recording device. Considering its current discounted price, the Scotia Nex C1 offers substantial value for its features, making it a worthwhile investment for enhancing your vehicle's safety and security. Number 4. Rove R2. The Rove R2 4K dashcam is a feature-rich device designed to enhance your driving experience by providing high-quality video recording and advanced functionalities. It captures 4K Ultra HD 2160p footage, ensuring crystal-clear video quality that can be crucial in documenting incidents or scenic drives. The dashcam is equipped with built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing seamless connectivity with your smartphone via the Rove app. Additionally, the built-in GPS provides real-time speed and location data, which is invaluable for tracking routes and verifying travel details. The device supports up to 512 GB micro SD cards, offering ample storage for extended recording sessions. The Sony Starvis IMX335 CMOS sensor, combined with a 150-dig ultra-wide-angle lens and f1.5 aperture, delivers superior night vision capabilities, capturing clear details even in low-light conditions. Additional features include a G sensor for detecting sudden impacts, loop cycle recording to overwrite old footage automatically, dynamic wide range (WDR) for balanced exposure, and a 24-hour auto-trigger parking mode that monitors your vehicle when parked. The dashcam also offers voice guidance and a screensaver function for distraction-free driving. Priced at $99.99, the Rove R2 4K dashcam offers a comprehensive set of features at a competitive price point. Number 3. Rove R3. The Rove R3 dashcam is a top-tier option for drivers seeking advanced features and reliable performance. This dashcam is equipped with a 3-inch IPS touchscreen for intuitive navigation and supports 3-channel recording, allowing you to simultaneously capture footage from the front, cabin, and rear of your vehicle. The front camera delivers stunning 1440p resolution, while the cabin and rear cameras record in 1080p, ensuring every detail is captured clearly. With a 150-degree wide field of view for the front and 140-degree coverage for the cabin and rear cameras, you get comprehensive visibility of your surroundings, reducing blind spots and enhancing safety. One of its standout features is the dual-band Wi-Fi, 5.0 GHz and 2.4 GHz, enabling fast video transfers and seamless connectivity to your smartphone for easy viewing and sharing. The built-in GPS tracks your routes and speed, adding critical data to your recordings. Unlike traditional lithium-ion batteries, the Rove R3 utilizes a supercapacitor, making it more durable and reliable in extreme temperatures ranging from 4 degrees AFI 20 degrees UTC to 158 degrees AFI, 70 degrees C. It supports up to a 256 GB micro SD card, providing ample storage for extended use, though the micro SD card and hardwire kit for parking mode are sold separately. Priced at $259,999, discounted from $399,999, the Rove R3 offers exceptional value for its feature set. Number 2. Escort M2. The Escort M2 radar-mounted smart dash cam is a powerful tool designed to work seamlessly with Escort radar detectors, offering enhanced security and convenience. It records full HD 1080p video with wide dynamic range (WDR) for clear footage day or night. Enhanced night vision ensures visibility in low-light conditions, while its built-in GPS logs speed and location for a comprehensive record of your journeys. The Drive Smarter app allows easy access to video clips, settings, and shared alerts from other drivers, all connected via dual-band Wi-Fi for seamless cloud uploads and updates. Safety features like the Emergency Mayday Alert automatically notify a contact in severe accidents, and parking mode captures incidents while your car is parked. The dashcam includes incident reports, emergency recordings, and voice notifications for added peace of mind. It is compatible with popular Escort radar detectors like the Max 360C and comes with a 16 GB micro SD card, supporting up to 128 GB for extended storage. Priced at $190, the Escort M2 offers excellent value for its advanced features. This dashcam is ideal for drivers who want top-tier video recording, radar integration, and enhanced safety features. If you value clarity, connectivity, and comprehensive protection, the Escort M2 is a smart choice for your vehicle. Number 1. Rove R2 Dual. The Rove R2 4K Dual Dashcam is a versatile and feature-packed device designed to elevate your driving safety and documentation. With its Sony Starvis 2 sensor, it captures crisp and vibrant footage in both daylight and low-light conditions, ensuring clarity in every scenario. The front camera records in 4K Ultra HD 2160p, while the rear records in Full HD 1080p, supported by 150° and 140° in wide-angle lenses, providing broad coverage of the road ahead and behind. Its integrated GPS embeds location and speed data directly into recordings, adding valuable context. Connectivity is seamless thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi, allowing instant video transfer and sharing through a smartphone app, while the 3-inch IPS display offers intuitive navigation and video playback. For all-day protection, the Rove R2 4K features a 24-hour parking mode, activating recording when motion or impact is detected, with a hardwire kit. Powered by a supercapacitor, it withstands temperatures from 40 degrees to 140 degrees, ensuring reliability in extreme conditions. The package includes a 128 GB micro SD card, supporting ample storage, with loop recording that overwrites old files for uninterrupted operation. Priced around $199, it's a competitive choice for drivers wanting high-quality video and modern features. While the front camera upscales to 4K, its performance is strong, though the rear camera's low-light capabilities could be better.